Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to transfer money from PayPal to Bank of Ireland in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid online or just managing your finances, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring funds like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified PayPal account and a Bank of Ireland account linked to it. If you haven't linked your bank yet, don't worry, I'll walk you through that. Start by opening the PayPal app or website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section, usually found in the top menu. Next, look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds option. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll see a list of your linked bank accounts. If Bank of Ireland isn't there, select Add Bank and follow the prompts. You'll need to enter your Bank of Ireland account details, like your account number and sort code. PayPal might ask for verification, so keep an eye on your email or phone for any codes. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check this because accuracy is key to avoid any mistakes. You'll also see any potential fees. Remember, in 2025, PayPal might have updated their fee structure, so it's always good to review that beforehand. Once you're happy, hit Confirm, and voila, your transfer is on its way. Processing times can vary, but it usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to appear in your Bank of Ireland account. Keep in mind that exchange rates could apply if you're dealing with different currencies. If you run into any issues, like a failed transfer, check PayPal's Help Center or contact Bank of Ireland directly. There you have it, folks, a simple way to move your money in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.